Already ranking #1, here's how to squeeze even more sales from your listing. Let's dive in. So the first thing is going to be the main image optimization. So using a tightly cropped, high resolution, 2000 by 2000 image with minimal white space to maximize product visibility. And that's exactly what this listing does. It has maximum visibility. As you can see, it's perfectly cropped. So you can see the exact edges on the side in blue. It has a perfect crop. But one thing that I did notice about the first image is if I showed this, I deleted everything and I only showed this image to a child, to somebody who's 10 years old, 11 years old, and asked them, what is this product? Most of the time they're gonna say it's a ball. And I'm gonna say, what kind of ball? And they're not gonna know. They're gonna be like, oh, maybe it's a baseball or something you throw, like football. So what we want to do is we want to make the product idiot proof. We want to make sure that right from the get, when someone's searching on Amazon, the first thing they see is they see images, and humans love images. So we love images that are idiot proof, something that's extremely easy to understand. And this ball, the one that we just saw, is a bad example. A good example is if we showed a ball and it had somebody using the product as the first image, just like this one, and we showed it to a child. What is this ball? Oh, it's like a bouncy ball. You sit on it, you can stretch on it, right? So we want to make it idiot proof. So right from the get, right when somebody, a human, any age, looks at the product, they know exactly what it is, or at least more than what it shows right here. Number 2 is going to be the bullet points, the bullet point consistency and the bullet point length. So what I've noticed on this listing is going to be the consistency in the bullet points are off. So you kind of want it to have the same verbiage and look similar each bullet point, so it's easier for the consumer to understand and read. You can see they put caps right here and then they explain it, which is great. Caps, right? Non-slip service. The Swiss ball is not picky at all when it comes to the practice venue, right? So pretty good. But then all of a sudden they just remove the caps. So this is like, it's like somebody else wrote it. And then it goes back to caps, top quality material, easy to inflate and perfect packaging. And then it takes away the capitalization. So this is where it gets a little confusing. And customers, there are some humans that just don't like it when the patterns are mixed. So keep it consistent, keep it professional, right? So again, if they want to do caps, each section, this should be in caps, this should be in caps, the beginning of this should be in caps, right? And then we're going to be talking about the length. So the length of these look great. So let's look at the length. We can go to a letter counter and it's going to count the characters for us. It's got 407. Each bullet point, for it to be completely optimized for SEO purposes, should be around 350 to 500 characters. Now we can see this one is really good. It's in the 400 area, so that's above 350. This one is at 283, which means it's missing out on some extra keywords you could use. Like, what are people typing in to find these types of products? You could put those in the bullet points and word them in a certain way where it sounds fluent. So we're kind of going through right here, and you can see this one, inflation instructions are just so short and sweet where you could totally add more information here and add extra keywords as well. So bullet points is going to be number 2. Number 3 is going to be maximizing the brand story. This is again an area where I see a lot of sellers missing out on for extra SEO purposes. So if we go down to their brand story, it looks decent. It looks nice. It shows something about the brand, information. I don't like how they start the brand with "and the fact that yoga balls are so popular," where I think this could be written a little bit better. But the main thing is you can have over 15 modules in your brand story. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they have 9, but you can have over 15. So they can have more pictures of men using the product, which they don't have many images of men using the product. This is a good time to have men using the product, right? More pictures of pregnant women using the product, more women using the product of different skin colors, right? You can have different Asian women, African Americans, Mexican women. You could have different people using the products as well, and men, right? So trying to promote those, this is a good area to do that. Not only that, you can put backend keywords behind each one of these. So I have a quick backend keywords looker so I can see the backend keywords behind each image. So each time you have a module, Amazon asks, hey, put in some backend keywords. This does help with SEO. And it looks like most of the time they're using the same keywords over and over again, or literally putting just a couple backend keywords. So they could be utilizing Spanish keywords because that's the second most spoken language in English in America, and that could help them increase their sales and get seen more as well. Number 4 is going to be images, having at least 9 images. Now, especially on mobile, there's a lot of people who look through every single image. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right now they only show 7 images here, but you can have up to 9 on Amazon. Might as well use up this space, because there are going to be some customers that want to see more into your product. So it's time to show maybe what the product includes, right? It doesn't show anywhere that it includes the pump. It says deflate, it has a knife of somebody deflating it, but nowhere does it say this product includes a box, 1 ball, a pump. People might be asking that question, visual people, so you should be adding pictures like that. So have 9 images. Number 5 is missing a video of somebody using the product. You can see right here it has all of the images, but there's no video. There's no video of somebody actually using the product. And that's going to help with credibility and help increase your conversion rate, aka increase your sales overall when somebody clicks on your listing. So make sure that you do have a video right here of somebody actually using the product or showcasing the product, because a lot of these just look like 3D images and people want to see the actual product being used. Last but not least is improving your ranking. So if you use a tool like Helium 10, you can put in the ASIN, and then it can tell you your organic rank and your paid rank. You can improve your organic rank and change your keywords, change your backend keywords, like we said, to add more brand story modules, and then add Spanish backend keywords. So you can see if your organic rank is increasing or decreasing. Adding Spanish backend keywords, you can download the export data and see if it's actually ranking. If you start ranking for Spanish keywords, then naturally you're going to get more Spanish speaking customers and your overall sales are going to increase. So definitely see what keywords you're already ranking for, which ones you could do better at, which ones you can put on the back end, maybe you're not ranking for, and check your competitors out as well to improve your organic rank. Then once per month, you can come back here and be like, okay, is my organic rank increasing month to month or is it decreasing? The higher your organic rank is, the more times you're going to be showing up on Amazon. And overall, there's almost always small improvements you can make to your listing to help increase sales even more. When you're at the top, there's only 2 places to go. You can keep going up or you go down. And we want to ensure you keep going up and keep increasing your sales, because you know those competitors want to kick you off the first page. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on a new listing strategy that I didn't mention in this video. And if you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to the channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help increasing your sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just selling on Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link is right in the description to contact us. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend more time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours just to fix an issue. Save time, save money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.